हाय दिस इज़ शेफ़ अनन्या बैनर्जी एंड चलो आज आपको गोवा लेके चलते हैं। आज मैं बना रही हूँ गोअन स्टाइल चिकन भिंडालू। If you're a vegetarian, you can try this with paneer or tofu. I think the results will be very nice. For this popular and traditional Goan recipe, I have made a healthy choice. I'm using extra light olive oil from Del Monte. This has a high smoking point. It's perfect for making any kind of Indian food. So gas is on and about 2 tablespoons oil I'm going to pour in first. I am making the marinade for the chicken first. Add some ginger and garlic to the pan. Some chopped ginger, minced garlic. Next I'm adding a handful of Kashmiri dried red chilli. You can use hot chili also. I prefer this one because it's slightly mild and it gives a beautiful color. Cinnamon and some cloves and black peppercorns. I'm adding a bit of Jaggery powder, some coriander, some jeera or cumin, coriander leaves, some haldi powder. I'll close the gas and add this in a mixer to make a fine puree. In this mixture, I'm going to add a very special ingredient which is a must in Goan food. This is Toddy vinegar. This is a fermented vinegar which I got it from Goa. If you don't have this vinegar, you can add maybe apple cider vinegar or any other vinegar. But I will suggest that you add this in your pantry list because if you want to make Vindaloo, this is the flavor you want. If needed, dilute with a little bit of water to make a smooth puree. Also, I have forgotten the mustard seeds. Now the marinade is ready to be put on the chicken. I have taken 2 chicken legs whole. I'm going to make some slits on them so that the masala goes deep into it. और ये मसालों को अच्छी तरह से चिकन के ऊपर लगा के इसको मैरिनेट करना है कम से कम 2 से 3 घंटा। अगर आपके पास टाइम है तो आप ओवरनाइट भी इसको रख सकते हो। I am taking this to the refrigerator to rest. The chicken has been marinating for 2 hours now. Let me start the process of making Vindaloo. For making Vindaloo, I am using extra light olive oil from Del Monte. This is ideal for cooking Indian food or any food that needs high heat. So oil is nice and hot. First goes chopped onions. इसको करते हैं थोड़ा saute. Soon after, I'll add some chopped chillies. Add chillies according to your spice level, the way you want. But Vindaloo, normally in Goan style, it is a spicy dish. Then chop tomatoes and let this cook for a while. Let me share a small little trivia with you while these tomatoes are cooking. This dish originally has come from the Portuguese. The Portuguese invaders used to cook this in wine. Vindaloo, vin is wine and a lot of garlic. So when I was in Portugal, I tried this Vindaloo thinking that it will be somewhat closer to the Goan cousins. But to my surprise, the Portuguese Vindaloo was very bland. It was just the flavor of wine and garlic. Nothing like the Vindaloo what we get in Goa and we are used to. And the wine in the original Vindaloo is replaced by the Toddy vinegar found in Goa. Some chopped garlic also goes in it. Give this a good mix. Then I'm going to add some tomato puree, some more Toddy vinegar, salt to taste, and then add the marinated chicken in the pan. Mix everything very well, cover and cook for at least 10 to 12 minutes, and in between just stir it so that it doesn't catch. Wow, look at that, look at the color. इसको कर देते हैं प्लेट. So the chicken vindaloo is absolutely ready for you. With this recipe, you can substitute the meat of your liking. I have given a healthy twist by using extra light oil from Del Monte. Just garnish it with maybe a mint, some more chilies to garnish. Chicken vindaloo is ready for you.